Good. Chant is attention. Chant is attention. Good. Chant is. Good. Attention. Join your hands. Close your eyes.
तमस्तु मा विद्विश्रावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
First of all, I want to wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thanks. It is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good. Stand is. Short by Prasad.
Good morning everyone. I wish you a happy 75th Independence Day. I am Prashant of 10th standard. I am here to present a thought before you. Freedom is never dear at any point. It is a breath of life. What would a man not pay for freedom? These words were said by Mahatma Gandhi. And the explanation of the thought is, Mahatma Gandhi wanted to deliver that freedom is the most essential thing in life and there is no cost that can be paid for it. A person can do anything to achieve freedom. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तव जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हे
Girish from 10th class is giving a speech.
A very good morning to respected sir, ma'am, teachers. I, Girish of 10th standard. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day. I am going to present a speech today. Today is an essential day for everyone as we got the independence, and today 75 years of independence have got completed. We have read about the struggles done by the Indian men and women in getting the independence and also their contribution for getting the freedom. But what we have read is not incomparable to these things. I can assure that we just read the iceberg's peak.
Now we are going to have a beautiful speech, it is such a beautiful thing to hear. Everyone, a lot of message is there in the speech. So all of you listen to that, and we are going to have Sir with the mic and give a speech.
Good morning, dear children. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Same thing to all my staff, dear staff here. It's a challenging time for the entire world. But one thing, as a country, this is not the first challenge that we are facing. I just wanted to tell you that the challenge what we are facing is not big compared to what we have faced in the last thousands of years. India as a country, if you look back into the history and keep reading, when you get time, go back to the history of our motherland, you'll find that there are so many invasions that we had from thousands of years, from across the borders. Hordes of army used to come, they used to leave dead bodies all across the entire villages, cities across the nation. We had wonderful universities like Nalanda and all. We had a great civilization. Everything was burned, everything was destroyed. But still India came back to life. And India is what here is today. For hundreds of years, foreign invaders ruled us. The Britishers ruled us. But they couldn't kill the spirit of Indianness what we have. That spirit will never die. Keeping that spirit alive should be our duty. Our duty is to make our nation the world leader, not in terms of material wealth, but in terms of love, affection, in terms of patriotism, in terms of helping others. See, if you see this pandemic time, there are so many nations. We are very lucky. We have a strong army, our borders are safe, we have a good administration, we have a stable government, we have comparatively a better research and medical facility, industries, people have jobs.
जग में सबसे न्यारा देश अपना प्यारा भारत देश हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई की आंखों का तारा देश जग में सबसे न्यारा देश अपना प्यारा भारत देश हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई की आंखों का तारा देश जग में सबसे न्यारा देश अपना प्यारा भारत देश ऊंचे शिखरों वाला देश चंचल नदियों वाला देश सोने चांदी हीरे जैसे फसलों वाला प्यारा देश जग में सबसे न्यारा देश अपना प्यारा भारत देश इसके कण कण में संदेश ऐसा पावन है यह देश है धरती का स्वर्ग यही अपना प्यारा भारत देश जग में सबसे न्यारा देश अपना प्यारा भारत देश हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई की आंखों का तारा देश जग में सबसे न्यारा देश अपना प्यारा भारत देश
सुप्रभात आदरणीय उपाध्याय और मेरे प्यारे दोस्त मैं टी स्नेहा आज आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। आप सबको 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। 15 अगस्त का दिन सभी भारतीयों के लिए काफी खास दिन है। यह वह दिन है जब हमें ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ादी मिली थी। आज हम भारत की 75वीं सालगिरह मना रहे हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 को जो हमें आज़ादी मिली वह आसानी से नहीं मिली। उसके लिए हमें बड़ी कुर्बानी और बड़ा संघर्ष करना पड़ा। महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सुभाष चंद्र बोस जैसे हजारों सेनानियों ने कुर्बानी दी।
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. All the children, those who are there on Instagram. See to it that all of you develop in yourself a spirit of patriotism. I'm happy that you're all there watching all of us during this pandemic. Though we have the 15th August ceremony going on, though you are not present here, I'm sure that all your minds, heart and spirit is here. Let's make our nation proud. Let's make our nation wonderful and great. All the best. Do well. Jai Hind.
Good morning, parents, dear children, everybody. Good morning, everyone, all the parents and dear students. It's really nice to have you all here. We are really missing the school, but still today we could make little bit. Few children have come to school and took part in the celebration. And next year probably we'll be having in a very grand manner. And all the students, we would have an English teacher ceremony. So now I think next year we are going to have all that. Probably next month we are going to have an English teacher ceremony of this year. So all the children there who are watching, just pay attention to the activity classes and concentrate more on that. Prepare well, let your house win. You yourselves win. Do perfection must be there in your performance. And we are going to have the selections for captains next month probably. That's what I heard sir said. So all of you, thank you very much. All the parents, students, everybody sitting in front of the camera and watching us celebrating the great event of our country. Thank you so much. Love you all, children.
Thank you all. Once again, happy Independence Day to all parents. Very soon we are going to catch you up in another 15 days. Thank you. Thanks.
Happy Independence Day to all the parents, and really we miss you all this year. Last year also we missed you, but anyway, again we'll have a good celebration next year, we hope so. Be safe. Thank you. Once again, happy Independence Day.
Wish you happy Independence Day, all my dear students. Are you all fine? हमने तो बहुत अच्छे हैं यहाँ पर, लेकिन आज इंडिपेंडेंस के उपलक्ष्य में आप सभी को, पुराने स्टूडेंट्स को सबको मिस कर रहे हैं। अगर आप लोग आते तो और कुछ पुरानी यादों को ताज़ा करने का मौका मिलता, लेकिन आज आप लोगों को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं। अगर एक कोरोना नहीं होता तो आप लोगों को यहाँ पर आते कितना हंगामा रहता अपना स्कूल में। हाँ या शेखर, हर्षिता, thank you so much for everyone. We all are missing you, students, and we hope next year we'll be celebrate all together. Okay, happy Independence Day once again. Sir.
Hi children, hi everyone, how are you? Parents, okay, hi parents. Happy Independence Day. Do well, study well, come regular to online class.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम है पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। मैं ये तक पहला प्रधानमंत्री हूँ। जय हिंद।
नन्ना मुन्ना राजी हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद।